Woohoo! All right, so Ford has brought an epic amount of vintage Broncos that are just awesome. I can't choose a favorite. Let's go ahead and take a look and you let me know your favorite. SEMA 2019 is the year of classic Broncos and the brand new Supra because you are seeing them everywhere. And I'm alright with that. I like it. There seems to be endless awesome old retro Broncos everywhere. Probably, you know, in celebration and to begin the new Ford Bronco that'll come out soon. Alright, so Ford has brought an epic amount of vintage Broncos that are just awesome. I can't choose a favorite. Let's go ahead and take a look and you let me know your favorite.